All right, today we're going to make a cheesecake. It only has 3 ingredients. It's very simple. I've done this recipe for a very long time, so I know it's good. I have 2 cups of Cool Whip. Put those in my bowl. I have a half a cup of sugar and 1 package, which is 8 ounces of cream cheese. And I'm just gonna get that in there. If I can crunch it, it'll make it mix a little smoother. If you get a little messy, that's okay. Part of the fun. All right, 3 ingredients, and then we mix. And that's it. You just want to get it mixed up until it's not lumpy. It's nice and smooth. And so then what we're going to do is we have our pre-made pie shell, which just makes it easier. We're just going to dump this in there. We're going to get it all nice and flat. This is pretty simple. And I guarantee you no one will know that it's a no-bake cheesecake. Smooth it out the best you can. I've been doing this forever and I still can't get it really smooth. All right, I'm going to put my little lid on top. And I'm just going to push the edges down a little bit. Put this in the fridge for 3 hours. And after that, we like to use strawberry topping. You can use any topping you want, cherry, whatever you feel like. This goes on after 3 hours in the fridge. And we will put the recipe up with this video so you can see just how simple it is and make it for yourself. Thank you. Subscribe. All right, it's been 3 hours. We just took our pie out of the fridge. So we're going to open the lid. And I've opened my can of strawberry topping. And we're just going to put this on the pie. Try to stir it up, make it look all pretty. Just going to layer it on. These cans will usually give you plenty for an 8-inch pie. You might even have a little topping left over if you don't want to go all the way to the edge. That way, when you put it on plates, you can add a little extra, make it look all pretty. There you go. A beautiful 3-ingredient, no-bake cheesecake.